everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to redeem Starbucks gift card online. So for that, first of all, open a browser on your PC and then open a new tab. There on the search bar you need to type in starbucks.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of Starbucks. Once you're at the official web page, you need to click on join now at the right hand side of your screen. Click on that. It will direct you to this page over here where you will be able to create an account for your Starbucks. And then here you fill in all the details that has been asked of you. So first of all, provide your first name and provide the last name. Then provide the email address of yours. And then at the end you type in the password for your account. Once you have provided all the details, you scroll down. And there's an option available, already have a Starbucks gift card. You click on it. Here you will be able to add gift card right away. So here you type in the card number that is available at the back of the gift card. The gift card number is 16-digit long. You type in that number over here. And then below you need to type in a valid security code that has 8 digits. Once you have provided both the details, you scroll down and here are a few more information. If you want to get email from Starbucks, you can click on this checkbox over here. Yes, I'd like an email from Starbucks. If not, you can leave it empty. And at the end, you need to agree for the terms of use. That is the Starbucks agreement. Now, once you click all that, you need to click on create account. Soon you click on create account, you will be able to create a Starbucks account with an added gift card on your account. Now you can use your gift card whenever you pay for your Starbucks order online or in stores. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.